Hey, so I've been doing my recaps a little later in the day. It's just kind of like waiting for the market to just close and then kind of seeing like a overall snapshot of what happened. But the SPY was pretty rangy today, same with the Qs. We had a huge gap up overnight. Basically it was because of Tesla as well as a lot of other things like the home sales weren't as bad as they thought it was. GDP was actually grew more than they thought it was gonna grow. So we had this huge gap up and we got all the way up to like like way past R4, R5 for everything, which is this like the uppermost dashed dotted red line. And then SPY just kind of lingered. SPY and Qs literally like traded in the range until about 3:30. Like we just kept going up and down and up and down. So it was a pretty mean, nasty, ugly day. So I kind of just was I ended today with a loss. I only lost $130, which I'm fine with, especially because I just had a good win streak these last 3 days. But it's important to keep your losers like your losers low, but your losing days even lower. But yeah, basically like once I started realizing today wasn't gonna be my day, I started getting too emotional about trades, just wanting to trade everything. I just got out of it. So if you can't tell what I did, it's because I can't either. So I didn't touch Microsoft. I tried to go for this Amazon break high day, and it's just because on the 5 minute, let's see. So the 5 minute over here, I thought I saw like a double bottom kind of. So I got in right here, but it just did not want to touch high day or this pre-market level that I touched. So I ended up losing very little money on that, only 32 bucks because this is one of my later trades. I'm kind of doing them out of order. Just because so yeah, I only risked 30 bucks because I was just like, oh, this isn't my day. I want to see if I can just get some practice runs in. AMD, I wanted to trade so badly, but I just didn't like the risk to reward at all. You see how all these levels are just too jumbled up on top of each other. So I'm glad I didn't touch that, which is why the reason I actually touched Amazon, just because I thought there was more space in between the levels, more opportunities for me to get some good, decent risk. Tesla, I think, was one of my first trades, and I got out of it for break even just because I just did not like what I was seeing on the SPY. But yeah, looking at the actual 5 minute chart, I waited for the 15 minute to kind of see if it can go lower, and I got kind of a bit of a late entry, but there was nothing in it anyway. I got out like immediately after as soon as I saw it hitting this teal line, and it never really went anywhere, even later on in the day. There was just no clear like options like the yeah, it pretty much set its range in the first like 20, 30 minutes. So yeah, when Tesla was break even, lost $9. I don't really care much about that. Let's see. I traded Nvidia twice, and at this point I realized I was kind of just gambling. So this is the 30-minute chart. Let's open up the five, see exactly what I did here. Oops, sorry about that. Once again, Nvidia, oh my God, I was watching this at the market open and it just flew up to the flew up, broke past 200. I was like, oh my God, we're gonna get a continuation, maybe at a 210. I think I had 210 marked down. Yeah, 210 and 205. But I don't trade in the first 15 minutes, so I waited for the first 15 minutes to be over these first three sticks. Saw it close. I saw it try to go lower, and I just had, for whatever reason, I just second I got in, I was like, I don't like the risk to reward on this, so I only made $2. Obviously, hindsight is 2020. If I would have held on for a freaking hour, I would have maybe made something, but I just didn't like how choppy this was. And then over here, it was just kind of, I got in way too late. I thought I saw a break low a day. Once again, these levels are just too jumbled up on top of each other. And I think I lost, let's see how much I lost. Oh, that was also break even, $1.75. So I made like $4 on Nvidia, lost 9 on Tesla, lost 30 on Amazon. And then my biggest loser of the day, it was just a gamble on Apple. I don't even know why I did it. I lost $110 on Apple and I lost like 20 bucks on everything else. Just because I started pretty much just gambling here. Let me go into the 5 minute chart. I'm just trading stuff that I don't normally trade. So I like to trade breakouts. And so I thought I saw kind of like a double bottom here. So I tried to kind of take this reversal. Oh no, first I tried to break low over here. And then I don't know why I did that. I was literally trying to break out against a major support level, as you can see here earlier with that huge wick. I lost like 18 bucks on that. I had no, I that's the one I lost $92 on that. And then I started gambling here, just full on tried to do like kind of like a reversal. It totally hadn't showed me any confirmation that I was going to break out. I lost 18 bucks on that. And then I think after that loss, I was like, what am I doing? And I just closed out for the day. I was like, only lost 1.3 R. My daily max loss level is 200, but if it's not your day, there's no point in continuing to trade until you reach that level. So overall, just super proud of my discipline today. I felt like, I'm starting to become a more disciplined trader, and yeah, it can be hard, but I'd rather lose $130 than keep going and lose 200, $300. Thank you for watching if you made it this far, and yeah, decent day.